Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, Ryngkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haka arpo terik mentau nailar arhajar kat kendai. Ryngkat baru koi ke Pyrthei, hak ni ke jela Meghalaya ru la Rakhe ke sengi ke bekerpang, jogi samla ni ke belatip kom kata ka International Youth Day 2019. Kenang bak ni ke jing Rakhe kan pen pernya ya ki samla ki wan shimenta haka juk kapor, kapan pen mentoi ru ki, kham tam bantai ke rukam perkhat perdan jongki, hak ni ke jela ya ka jing Rakhe ke bala pelong ha usus utham auditorium Shillong, ka jing Rakhe nalor kita masa kalau don ru ka jingkran kentukan pham ni kiriu champang kumju na ki samla ki baya lingba ki jing e hendai ki bela job ru ya kita ki jing e ha ka jing ya lenti jongki ya kini ki jing Rakhe kini ka nong ba Shillong la pelong da ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong bat ha ju por la pelong ru ikran san ya terko ne ka debate competition hapdang ki samla ni ki college paper kini ka nong ba Shillong nalor kani ha kini ka rensan kalau don ru ka jing patai benya halor uknyang jingpang HIV bat AIDS na ka kunhun jeng kisamla pule ka Sherpi College Shillong halor ka phang pedeng ka baong ha ka ktian English 2019 be educated about HIV AIDS hadin kani la pun buat sakajing lek ka Lorensan na kisamla pule jeng ka Women's College ban hadin kani layo jingkran kerpang na u president jeng Shillong Press Club uba David O Light Plang khadu e ha kani kijing lang lasam khusnam shaki nong job ha kijing ko paper kibla pelong ha kani hi kaju sngi
This now, tomorrow. There are many days. There's Mother's Day, there's Father's Day, there's all kinds of days. International Youth Day is very significant for the simple fact that it actually cherishes the liberty and the freedom and the wonderful part of being a youth. You can only be young once, no longer. So remember that. Cherish the life that you have. You may be a student in school, you may be a student in college, you may be even following up on pursuing higher degrees, but you'll always be young only once. Live your life as a youth, enjoy it to the fullest, but live it responsibly. And you know, there are many things that we come to learn these days. We come to learn from the internet, from social media, from television. There are goods, there are bads. But then at the end of the day, it's not your mom and dad, it's not your uncle and your aunt, it's not your grandma and your grandpa who's going to tell you how to live your life. You decide how to live your life. And you make that choice. And when you make that choice consensually, you will become a better citizen. I am told we have about the average between the age group of 18 to 24 years, 40% are actually afflicted by HIV. And that is not ignorance. That is because probably we live irresponsibly. Please, I beg you, you all are like my children. My daughters are your age. And the only thing that parents can do is talk to them and tell them, look, live life responsibly, because there's a lot of faith that has been bestowed upon you. Don't betray that faith. Be yourself, be proud of what you are, where you come from, but at the same time, please live responsibly.